Welcome to day 11 of our learning series. 4 advanced words plus idiom, with examples and short stories. Let's begin. Aspiration. A strong desire, hope, or ambition to achieve something. Synonyms: ambition, goal, desire.
The company's main aspiration is to lead the market. Her lifelong aspiration was to travel to every continent. She pursued her aspirations despite many setbacks. My main aspiration for the new year is to learn a new language.
Since childhood, Sabina had a strong sense of justice and couldn't bear to see unfairness. She imagined herself defending the innocent in a courtroom, turning her frustration into a powerful aspiration. That vision guided her through years of study until she became a trustworthy lawyer, known far beyond her hometown. Did you have an aspiration as a child that later changed? Share it in the comments. Foster. To encourage the growth or development of something. Synonyms: encourage, support, cultivate.
The program aims to foster innovation in technology. A supportive family environment can foster a child's confidence. Good leaders foster trust among their team members. The company tries to foster a positive work environment.
Elena loved working with children and always searched for ways to make learning exciting. She tried to foster curiosity in her students by turning lessons into games and experiments. Years later, many of her former students said her encouragement had sparked their passion for science and learning. Who was the person that helped foster your confidence the most? Share it in the comments. Comprehensive. Complete and including all the elements or aspects of something. Synonyms: complete, detailed, thorough.
The report includes a comprehensive analysis of market trends. The course offers a comprehensive guide to English grammar. The manual provides comprehensive instructions for setting up the device. He has a comprehensive understanding of the subject.
Matteo worked at a startup where every new project was a mess. Tired of confusion, he created a comprehensive guide for onboarding new employees, with timelines, tools, and real examples from past mistakes. Within weeks, the team ran smoother than ever before. Diligently. In a way that shows steady, careful, and persistent effort. Synonyms: carefully, attentively, conscientiously.
She checked every detail diligently before signing the contract. He worked diligently to finish the project on time. The police diligently investigated the case to find all the evidence. The team prepared diligently for the presentation.
Adrian joined a small architecture firm as an intern. He worked diligently, checking blueprints, measuring models, and learning from every correction his mentor gave. Within a year, his colleagues trusted him with projects that usually went only to experienced staff. Call it a day. To stop working on something, usually because enough has been done or it's time to rest. Synonyms: end work, wrap up.
The workers agreed to call it a day when it got dark. They finally called it a day after rehearsing for 6 hours. I think we should call it a day and continue tomorrow. Everyone was exhausted, so they decided to call it a day.
The management team stayed late in the office, debating budget cuts and new strategies. Coffee cups piled up on the table, and the clock showed it was already 10 p.m. Finally, their director smiled and said, "Great progress, everyone. Let's call it a day." Today we've learned aspiration, foster, comprehensive, diligently, call it a day. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.